Ever heard of a dead cat bounce in finance? No, it's not as morbid as it sounds, but it does portray a rather grim reality in the world of investment. Picture this: a cat falls off a skyscraper. It's a dreadful fall, but somewhere along the way, the cat bounces off an awning. For a moment, it seems like the cat is defying gravity, soaring back up, but alas, gravity takes over and the cat continues its fall. This, in a nutshell, is a dead cat bounce. Now, let's translate this to the world of finance. Imagine a stock, bond, or commodity that's been tumbling down in price. Suddenly it experiences a brief rally, a sudden uptick in price. It's a glimmer of hope, a sign of recovery, right? Not quite. This momentary rise is a dead cat bounce. It gives the appearance of recovery, but it's often short-lived and followed by a continued fall in price. The dead cat bounce can be a deceptive illusion in the financial market. It's like a siren song, luring unsuspecting investors into believing that a declining asset is turning around. But just as a single bounce doesn't revive a falling cat, a temporary rally doesn't necessarily indicate a sustained recovery for a falling asset. This term serves as a cautionary tale for investors and traders. It reminds them not to be swayed by short-term price movements, but to consider the broader market context and underlying fundamentals. Because after all, what goes up must come down, especially if it's a dead cat bounce. In a nutshell, a dead cat bounce is a brief respite in a broader downward trend. It's a reminder that not all that glitters is gold and not every rise is a recovery. It's a vital concept in finance, a tool to navigate the tumultuous seas of the market, and most importantly, it's a warning to tread carefully and not to be fooled by temporary rallies. Remember, a dead cat bounce might look like a lifeline, but in reality, it's often just a mirage in the vast desert of the financial landscape. So, next time you see a sudden uptick in the price of a falling asset, don't be too quick to celebrate. It could just be a dead cat bounce.